Welcome back, Brett here with Clickmill. So in this video, we're going to be answering the question, what is Tag Manager? This is a software program. In the last video, we said a tag is just a piece of software, or excuse me, a piece of code that is going to track a specific behavior on your website and then send that data off. Well, Tag Manager as a software is just a tool that we use to track all of our tags. So you could have one tag on a website, you could have 1,000 tags on a website, hopefully not 1,000, but you could. And it's just a software that's going to manage all of your tags. So it's Tag Manager. So now that's maybe more evident. So Tag Manager is a tool that is going to help you manage all of your tags. Now, the important thing with this is you definitely want to use Tag Manager or some other, I don't even know of any other sites that do this, but if there is a manager tag site that's not Google Tag Manager, you definitely want to use it, because the alternative is actually having these little snippets of code, and you go into the code of your website and you just put them into the code on every page. And then you've got your Google tag and your Google Ads tag and your Google Analytics tag, and you got all these different tags for all the things you want to track. And it sends the data to all the places you need it. But then you start losing track of all of these hundreds of tags all over your website, and it just becomes just an insane mess. And so what Google Tag Manager does is it keeps track of them for you, and it says, oh, do you want to change this one? Yes. And you just click on that tag and you make your changes and then you save it. And that is going to save you from literally hunting through the code in your website to find these tags. So Google Tag Manager is a platform that helps you to organize all the tags, keep track of them, and manage them. Neil, anything you'd like to add to that?
All good from my
Okay,
end.
we're set. I'm doing good so far. Sweet.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you in the next video.